How to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up TikTok application. Now when you open up TikTok, a menu will appear asking for a report of Apple. If the menu doesn't appear, go to the profile at the bottom right corner and tap on the three lines. Now go to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now click on report a problem. Now wait for some time. Now tap on account and profile. Now select login. Now select other option on this menu page. Now select no. Now tap on need more help. Now on this page tap on send a message. Now type I want to submit ticket for account suspended. Now tap on send. Now tap on submit a ticket. Now write a appeal. Attach the screenshot and click on submit and wait for some time until they remove the suspension on your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.